Greetings friends, how's it going today? Welcome to my shave den with me, Justin, the Red Island Shaver. So yes, we are going to look at Prohibition Style this weekend. And here it is in the Thirsty Badger lather bowl. So it is whiskey sour. This is the original formula, the original 5 butter formula that was much maligned. People have problems lathering it and getting a good lather out of it, and I'm going to see what I can do. My nickname back in the day in Canadian Wet Shavers was the Lather King, because I could lather everything, and I could lather soaps that other people couldn't lather for some reason. So let's see if that holds true today. So I'm going to quickly wet the face. We're going to get right into it. Now, I am hoping that my my not-so-secret weapon, which is the soft distilled water, may help in the latherability of this. Now, something tells me some people did try it with distilled water and still couldn't get it to go, but we're going to try it. Brush is going to be a synthetic knot. I'm not using a natural hair with this. I mean, synthetics, really, usually you can lather anything with a synthetic. This is my Spiffo brush. See on the coin, Spiffo Murdoch 24mm tuxedo knot, or Luxido knot. Don't know why I'm smelling the brush, but it smells like a brush. It smells like nothing. So fairly hard soap, damp brush. Let's see what happens. So the scent notes on this are very, very simple. It is a fine high-end whiskey, a touch of lime, and a finish of vanilla. So now we get some water introduced into that. Yeah, I do pick up a boozy note. Do get that little pop of lime, and I do get a little bit of that vanilla in the finish. So, so far the scent is not lying. That's been one of the things said about this soap, is that the scents were on point. Just the base wasn't the greatest with this original 5 butter base. So he has redone the bases, and I think they're tallow based now, or a different vegan base. And if you're wondering who runs Prohibition Style, it is my man Justin Desjardins from out in I believe he's out in BC. Yeah, so we're just gonna give this a really good hard load, just for the benefit of a doubt. It's making a proto lather okay in the bowl, so that's always a good sign. It's always a very good sign. Scent strength isn't that strong. This is a sample, and the sample has been sitting around for a while, so I'm thinking that may have something to do with it. I almost guarantee that has something to do with it. That's the thing about samples. When you get them, you kind of forget you have them. Or you have so much other stuff to get to that you don't get to the samples. And I think sometimes, obviously they're going to lose some of their scent if they're sitting in a plastic bag. I don't think there's any ifs, ands, or buts about it. Anyway, we'll see what we can do. So yeah, right now I'd give this scent strength about a 4, if that, maybe 3.5. Very, very light scent. What I can smell smells good though. And that's not a knock on the soap. That's just a knock on me not using the sample up sooner. So we're going to do the 3 applications of distilled water into the base coat. Now we'll spray the tips and see what happens. There's a little bit of that whiskey as we start popping the tips. Okay, I can roll with that. We get some peaks starting to form here. Yeah, I think we can work with this. We have the technology. So yeah, I hope everybody's having a good weekend out there in YouTube land. Mine's going pretty good. Just here on camera, shaving for you fine people. Gonna drink some copious amounts of coffee. Speaking of whiskey, I think I may get into the whiskey tonight. Have the old-fashioned variety. An Irish old-fashioned. I have the Jameson Caskmates Stout. What a wonderful whiskey that is. Really, really like it. So it's regular Jameson that was finished in stout beer barrels. And it makes for a very, very wonderful old-fashioned. It's a nice sipper too. Yeah, so we're getting some good peaks here. It may be a little bit airy, but geez, I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think of that? Because you know my eyesight sucks, but I mean that looks pretty good. I don't think that's dissipating any. Telling you, distilled water is your friend. Do one more application of water, just for shits and giggles. Yeah, I'm not really getting a whole lot of the vanilla on this. It's more just whiskey. Just a little hint of that lime. Well, golly gee, folks, I don't know. That lathered up pretty good, so I mean, if that stays in the brush and doesn't dissipate, which that may have been a bit of the problem too, maybe lather stability was a problem. I don't know. And to me, that seems pretty good. I'm gonna roll with that, and we're gonna see how that holds up in the old hot scuttle. All right, clean the work area. And we'll get down to removing some whiskers. What do we have? 2 days, 3 days growth, I think. Yeah, but 3 days growth. Razor for today is brought to you by Gillette. The best a man can get, right? So, yeah. My 1960 F1. So, first quarter 1960 Gillette $1.95. Also known as the Fat Boy. Brand new Voscod in here, which is my favorite blade, and I have this bad boy set for setting number 3, which is just where Daddy likes it. I don't have overly coarse beard hair, and so yeah, I don't need a stupid aggressive razor. It's pretty stable leather. Oh, I love the feeling of a fresh Voscod on the face. Oh, it's so nice. So yeah, fans, yeah, lather stability, pretty good. Clung to the head of that razor, not a problem. Slickness is good. All right, quick rinse. So far, so good. There's the brush. Lather is still there, didn't dissipate. Very interesting. Getting a little bit more of that lime here now in the second pass, on the second lather. And I'm a sucker for lime. I'm a sucker for citrus. I just love citrus. Love citrus. Yeah. I mean, geez, I don't know, sports fans. That lather's holding up pretty good. So, I mean, I'm going to have to wait watching on the playback. But to my eye, it looks like it's holding together pretty good. And it's not dissipating. It doesn't look airy. It's clinging to the face. Good. Yeah, I like it. Is it a top tier lather? No, not quite. So I would rate this about middle of the road. Scent is about middle of the road, or scent strength, but like I said, it's a sample. Can't knock them too hard for that. But slickness is good. Slickness is very good. The cushion's good. Performance is pretty good. Like, I mean, even the residual slickness is pretty good there. So I don't know, boys. I'm not really finding really much to knock on this, to be honest with you. It's a pretty good soap. Oh yeah, that's my trouble pass right there. If I got a blade that's starting to go wonky, or if I got a soap that, I didn't properly hydrate, I find out very quickly on this side of the neck, because it lets me know immediately with the first couple strokes that, hey stupid, you did something wrong, and well, you're going to be red and irritated because of it. And yeah, that was fine. Yeah, I mean, all in all, I'm not finding anything bad about this soap at the moment. Just a nice shave. You'll be able to hear my cat outside the door. She has separation anxiety. I'm in here with the door closed. She likes to watch me shave. She'll sit on the toilet and watch me. She's a very special kitty. She's my therapy cat, I think. All right, well, you know what? This shave. Get back here. Yeah, just lost a little bit of lather. Maybe dissipating just a tiny bit in the scuttle, but not overly. Pretty sure I can whip this right back up into some peaks. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Nothing wrong with that. That's the third lather, and look at that. It just came right back. Huh. Distilled water, people, I'm telling you, everybody makes fun of me. Everybody makes fun of me about the distilled water, but it ain't no joke. You got a soap that you have a hard time lathering sometimes, you don't want to perform, and your water is hard. I'm telling you, get yourself some distilled water and just soak your brush in it. And away you go. You're off to the races. That's a damn fine lather. And if you're wondering what I buy, it's no big secret. This bottle's just about empty here, but there you go. Equate distilled water. Soft for your lather pleasure. That's it. That's it. The cat's out of the bag. The secret to some of my lathers. Now, I didn't try to do this in hard water, but I have a feeling I probably could have lathered this in hard water too, with no issues. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm not really finding anything wrong with this shave at all. It's very good. Quite enjoying it. I think tomorrow, off camera, I'm probably going to use this again. there's still quite a bit in the lather bowl. I mean, like, look at that. There's the third pass. Take a look at the razor head. I mean, that's not airy or falling apart or anything. It's clinging right to the head. So I think tomorrow I might use this with straight razor. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Nothing wrong with that. All right, cold water rinse. That's as smooth as a baby's bottom right there. Right, well, you know what? I can't really find any fault with that. Boys and girls, it's a very nice shave. I mean, scent strength, it was pretty weak, but like I said, that's because of the sample, because I know when people first got, when these soaps first came out, and even in the newer formula, people are raving about how good the scents are and how strong they are, so that's not a knock on Prohibition Style at all. That's just, that just happens to be the fact that it's a sample and I let it sit for way too long. So, yeah, quite enjoyed that. Splash. I'm going to go with, once again, First Canadian Dick & Cider Triple X. Yes. Triple X for even more pleasure. So this was aged in oak barrels and with more bourbon. I mean, more bourbon is more better, right? So this does, if you're familiar with the scent, this does not smell like the soap. This has a different scent all on its own, just because of the changes it underwent while it lovingly sat in said barrels. So it's way more bourbon. Just a hint of the cider spice. A lot more oakiness and some orange notes. It's very, very nice. Oh God, yeah, that's nice. Absolutely no burn, and because this is an alcohol splash, unfortunately you can't get it outside of Canada because Randy doesn't ship to anything with alcohol to the States due to all the BS around that. But yeah, it's so nice I gotta do it twice. Ooh, that's what she said. So yes, very nice shave. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with the performance on this soap, actually. Yeah, not a damn thing wrong with that. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. I got a great shave with Prohibition Style with the original 5 butters formula. Scent was a little weak, like I said, but that's on me, not on them. But as far as performance goes, yeah, I'm liking it. Definitely liking it. Great shave. All right, friends, so that is the video. So I'd like to thank each and every one of my wonderful subscribers. You help keep this channel going. You give me a reason to do this every weekend, and I really do appreciate it. And so, yeah, hopefully you enjoy the content, and maybe tell your friends, tell your family, tell everybody. So that's that. Until next time, as always, have a great day and an even better shave. We'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.